me, Aiden. Welcome to Virginia Homesteaders. Let me show you around the chicken coop. Just come around the front, we got our chicken wire. Come right in the door. We got we got Clementine out right now. He's about to go inside. But we start off, we have a large open area. I've spread seeds around here and they'll eat them. They love seeds. And then we have a water 5-gallon bucket with chicken cups at the bottom. We have grit container, food container, a ramp to get up, and over here, keep digging out, so I have to put a board here to prevent them from digging. And then out here, come out, close the door, go around. We have 2 windows that will open and close by themselves, like so. And then you come in the door. We have 7 chickens. We used to have 10, but 3 of them died from the hawks. We have 1 roosting bar, 1 fell down over there. We have 4 Americana chickens, and we have 3 Easter eggers. And then we used to have 1 cinnamon queen, but it died from the hawk attack. And then they have their little water, and then I have a nesting box for them, and then some extra bedding. And come around here, you can open up this to the eggs. Just flip these down. You can reach in there and get your eggs. And we have a rain collection barrel that comes off the gutters. Goes down the downspout and into our barrel. We have fresh water for the chickens. And then I got to install the gutters on the run so far. And we have the automatic chicken door, which is powered by the solar panel on the roof. We also have one of those windows on this side too. Perfect. And they kept splashing all the dirt into the feeder, so I had to hang it from a eye bolt at the top. Thanks for watching Virginia Homesteaders. See you on the next video.